Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. It's time again for advent calendars, and I got the big one. Here, I show you how big it is. This is Jelly Belly, the North Pole Jelly Belly factory. So, and this advent calendar is all about the artwork. So, apparently he's transporting some sort of substance. Look at this here, like the construction workers going up the ladder. And they have a lot of mechanical stuff going on the roof. Okay. And they got tubes shaped in the form of a jelly belly. Yeah, I'm really loving the details. What's he doing? He's checking the pipes. He's giving this guy a thumbs up. Alrighty. And this reactor is outside or something. I'm really looking forward to see what's inside. So just like the flavors guide. I will not do every flavor. Yeah. It's mainly about the packaging. And can I unrip the ribbon? Aha. Yes, it's meant for opening, not for cutting. Okay, but now I have to cut the duct tape. Let's do it. So here we go. This is quite sophisticated. I'm not quite sure whether this is the right way. Anyhow. Yeah, it's actually the second factory. Haribo also got a factory advent calendar. Okie dokie. Now the big moment. Let's open up the factory. Wow. Amazing. So actually, I have already the factory. Okay, it's dusty. I get the dust away a little bit. Okie dokie. So here's my Jelly Belly factory worker. As you can see on this one, they used the same like this. I think. Yeah, they hear this. This is this. And yeah. But this is like the big image with everything. Cool. Hey, this is like the total, and let's have a little look what's going on. I'm not quite sure how accurate these machines are. So this is basically, I think this rotates, and then the thing comes out. And here's like cooking. Cooking in the reactor. Then he's holding something. He's having a sack of sugar, presumably. Oh, look at this here. The professor. The professor holds the book with recipes. Very good. So he's putting some. he's putting our good old friend Brilliant Blue inside one of these pots. Alrighty. There seems to be some quality control or something. Alrighty. I like this guy here. He's transporting a tube. That's so cool. Here the counterweights of this mechanism are bronze jelly bellies or something. Ah, this is also cool. Here, quality inspection with a magnifier. Oh, really cool. Okay. Or here, factory worker. Jelly Belly wants to eat Jelly Belly. How adorable. This is a cool advent calendar. Okay. Let's open up some doors. And yeah, I think they got this triangle thingy going on. who doesn't state the flavor. I guess I also want to open up 24. There we go. This advent calendar feels really high quality. Now the door is inverted. Oh no. I'm taking my Swift knife. Here we go. And 24 is a mixture. Okay. So I'm up 3. 3 is my favorite number. Okay, I think I know this. This is pancake? No. Yeah, it tastes like Christmas. What could have this been? It's white with brown things. Toasted marshmallow. Yeah. Yeah. I remember this flavor somehow. Vanilla, okay. Look at the instructions. Press this little thing, then open up with the index finger and get this back out. Okay. It must be vanilla. Okay, this is one I just eat, was bubblegum. Tutti Frutti, I think. Okay, so it actually tastes like toothpaste. It tastes like one of these bean bottled flavors. Yeah, this vanilla tastes awesome. Yeah, and it got the same artwork like the year before. There you go. The year before. With this really funny puppy and the skier. And the Jelly Belly Christmas tree decoration balls. Yeah, this is an awesome product. Maybe like here this, it doesn't make sense to have like stuff outside the factory, but yeah, the inside is awesome. Yeah, liking him the most. Was somebody cut in a Jelly Belly? No. No. This is anyhow. Let's check out the factory a little bit. So last thing we will do today, this was like a, yeah, I did some dispensers. This is a simple mechanism here is a compartment, the storage, so you could fill it up. So yeah, I don't put the ton now in it, you have to imagine it's filled up and then you put just the handle. And then the beans would come out into the shovel. Okay. Well, that's it. We liking the product. I think they stretched the image a little bit too much. Looks a little bit pixelated here. Anyhow, it's definitely fun. So, if this isn't a cool, fun product, so I don't know. Oh, I don't know what would be, basically. What could be more fun, like a adorable factory where Jelly Bellies are working? Okay. Alrighty. So that's it. I hope you like the episode. I hope you like the product. Yeah, see ya on Friday.